What's up, guys? Here it is, the new diamond boat, MasterCraft 24 NXT. It's hard to tell, obviously, through the video, but you can see the freeboard is a little bit taller now because there's about 23% more ballast. We got the fiberglass platform. The wood would get a little slippery last year. Oh man, the metallic looks so nice on this. And so we'll hop up here. Gotta take my shoes off, you know? Proper etiquette. Oh, nice gray interior. We got the 4 tower speakers on this. And then the coolest part of this interior is the blue etching. That is amazing. And then we got phone holders here now. So your phones don't have to sit in the cup holders. New clamp racks, black. These are gonna be super helpful. Again, we got the blue stitching, so clean. Same basic dash with a couple more options now. Same tabs. And then we just got this in, so it's just getting unwrapped. But if we come in here, I'm sure we got the stitching. Oh, so clean. Beautiful. Oh man, this boat is super nice. Well, we're super excited for this upcoming season. You guys got to come out with us. Check out the new diamond boat. Woo!